loud, the hit sound low, cause you know I hit you with the boom elbow.
On this one, you know.
Are you ready? Does the world doesn't hip hop?
God, soldiers, we at war. We at war with society. Mostly, we at war with ourselves.
Philippines Pinoy Hip Hop.
Wrong track. Let's get to the real thing.
Yeah.
Let's go! Let's go!
Hey, yo, man, why you stopping? That was funky.
To catch my breath.
All right, you got it?
Yeah.
Kick it.
Nigga, doing this shit from Cleveland to LA, nigga. Whatever you niggas want. What time is it? I don't give a fuck where you lay at, nigga. It's time to slay these bitch, man, nigga. They ain't even know what time of niggas we is. You know you niggas been waiting for a long time.
Going down, we gon' make you sweat, we gon' get you drunk, we gon' make you jump. Let's start with the hand clap. Everybody hands back at the count of three. This is how it's going down. Check it out one time. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. If y'all was 21, if y'all was 21, if y'all was 21, if y'all was 21, ladies, let's go. If y'all was 21, if y'all was 21.
Pinoy Hip Hop, maraming salamat. December 3, 2007, unang Lunes po sa buwan ng Disyembre at ilang araw na lang ay magpapasko na.
Hip Hop Pinoy! Make some noise! Oh, okay. One morning sa iyo, Dr. Samuel Salvador po.
One morning din sa iyo, Bobby, at sa ating mga tagapakinig.
Okay, sa December 12 po, may academic affairs na mangyayari sa ating Global Peace Festival po, no?
Opo, meron. Mag-umpisa po ang International Conference for Educators and Teachers sa December 10. Then after that, magkakaroon ng Global Peace Festival sa December 12. At doon mag-join ang mga libu-libong mga faculty members, educators around the world.
Okay, so ilan countries uli ang mga delegates? Saan sila magagaling? Ilan countries sila magagaling?
Ang sa ngayon ay umaabot na sa more than 30 countries ang nag-confirm. We are hitting around 100 countries all over the world po.
Okay. At itong mga bata na to, itong Pinoy Hip Hop, sila ay kasali naman sa dance contest po, di ba?
Opo, dahil sa December 7, magkaroon ng final competition ng singing and dancing. At kung sino ang manalo doon, ay kasama rin sila sa Global Peace Festival sa December 12.
Ayan. So, sino ba pinaka-leader nyo rito sa Pinoy Hip Hop? Okay. Babae pa? Okay. Kayo sumali dito, syempre, para ipakita yung galing. Ha? Ano masasabi nyo sa darating na competition?
Masasabi lang po namin sa darating na competition, bibigay po namin yung pinaka-best po namin.
At dahil to ay Global Peace Conference, walang away, ha? Okay. Sabi ni Kuya Bobby. Okay. So, Dr. Salvador, huling paanyaya po sa kanila.
Kami po ay nag-aanyaya sa lahat ng mga leaders, political leaders, religious leaders, mga educators, mga all walks of lives na kasama natin, hindi lamang sa mga bansang Asiano, kundi sa buong daigdig para makipag-participate itong Global Peace Festival sa December 10, 11, 12 hanggang 13. Ito ay para bang launching pad lang ito, Bobby, dahil sa 2008 magkakaroon ng 2 million people gatherings sa Global Peace Festival uli. Taon-taon na gagawin na natin ito. Parang it is a commitment to the world and to the entire universe na dito sa Pilipinas ay tayong mga tao, tayong mga nilalang na talagang nagmamahal sa kapayapaan.
Alright. Thank you very much, Dr. Salvador. At good luck sa inyo. Pinoy Hip Hop. Okay.
Maraming salamat din, Bobby.
Alright, mga init na balita.